So hello guys, welcome to this new video series. So guys, in our last video from the Europe series, I had told you about the mistake which I made in my career, and there is a huge potential which is going to get open in countries like the Canada and Europe. बहुत सी opportunities है जो available है, and in today's video we will be going to see what all are the opportunities. Why shall we focus to Europe and Canada? And but in this video especially it will be more about Europe. So what makes it distinctive, what makes it different from the Canada, right? So before we start friends, I would like to say one more word that I'm not here to represent any kind of consultancy and agency. मैं किसी भी एक consultancy को और agency को represent नहीं करता हूँ. I'm purely here to help you guys, right? Because I know like what are the problems which I faced in my life, so I don't want my brothers, other professionals to face the same in their life. So that is the reason I'm here to help you guys. So what made me to start job hunting in Canada is a couple of years before, friends, one of my friend who have total 15-20 years experience in Gulf in health and safety, actually he lost his last job, and he was forced to come back to India. You know, the age, everything it matters. So what he said is like, he after working for so many years in Gulf, he was not able to save a good chunk of money. ज़्यादा कुछ भी savings उसके पास में नहीं था. So what he said is like, to me is, hey, if we were working in some other places like in Europe or in Canada, maybe we could have earned or we could have settled down by the end of our age. So this is what it made me to think why it is the right time to start applying for the jobs in the western side. This is the only one case, but there are many others who are facing this kind of situations in their professional life, especially who are working in Gulf countries. But it's okay, out of 100%, the 10% might be in good position, but what about the remaining 90%, right? So anyways, let us come back to our topic. So why Europe, friends? Because if you compare Europe with Canada, right, especially the UK, I'm more interested to focus on UK. Is in Canada, New Zealand and Australia, when you target for the jobs, health and safety jobs, you need to have good references. Even when I tried for the Canadian jobs, I have friends there, so it was very pretty easy for me to get a call because they are there to like to follow up with the company. But for the others it will be quite difficult if you are focusing on the Canada and New Zealand, because the job opportunities are there. I'm not saying there are no job opportunities, but it is very difficult to get the right opportunity. Now coming to UK, you will be getting more chances, right? Because the Indian diaspora is more, the Indian people are more. There are lots of MBA graduates in Europe, especially in UK. So you will be, if you can make a good connection in LinkedIn with the HR assistants, especially who are from India, there are good chances for you to get into the jobs. And even in UK, if you are going to study health and safety, you will be awarded post-study work, which will be for 2 years. Means after completing your graduation, you can you have time of 2 years to search for another job. You can take your family during your studies, after job, and moreover it is an international degree, right? So even if you are not getting a job opportunity, you can come back to Gulf and you will be, and you are entitled to get a very better position in Gulf later also. And even one more thing is there, the PR. After getting a good job in a tier 2 company, you can get a PR in UK. And moreover, age up to 40 years you can apply, and once you are getting PR means your children are also entitled to get PR, so that is really good.